Hey, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll use the terraform. We'll set up the terraform to deploy the Azure resources using the terraform. So as you can see in my laptop, actually all the like the software like the terraform, Azure CLI, everything is installed. Okay. So in order to demonstrate, or we have to install Azure CLI or the terraform. So I have taken one Azure VM, so I can start from the scratch. So from the beginning, so first of all we have to install the terraform. So let me log into the VM. It is completely fresh VM. So you have to set up the terraform. Okay. So let me connect to the Azure VM first. So first of all, we have to set up the Visual Studio Code, because whatever the code we have to write, we have to use the Visual Studio Code. So first of all, we have to set up the Visual Studio Code in my VM. Then we have to set up the Terraform, then the Azure CLI. Then we have to deploy the Terraform code using the our Visual Studio Code. Okay. So and after that we can deploy the terraform code, and also we have to deploy the code using the AG login. Like you can normally you just need to AG login using the browser, as well as if you don't have the AG login, or if you hesitate to login using the AG login, then in that case we have to authenticate using the Azure principal. Okay, so I just log into my VM. Let me open the Chrome. So we will do the step by step. Okay, so as I said, so first of all you have to set up the Visual Studio Code, then Terraform, then Azure CLI, then we have to deploy the Terraform code using the Azure login, then we have to deploy the code using the our principal and the secret key. Okay, so let me download the Visual Studio Code for the Terraform. Visual Studio Code for the window, because we are using the Windows 10. So let me try to download for the Windows machine. Let me open the first link. So you have the installer. Okay, so I have to choose the window environment. If you're using the other like the OS, like the Red Hat or the Mac, you can take the file accordingly. So the exe file has been downloaded for the Windows environment. Let it complete the downloading, then after that we can set up it. It is very straightforward. You just need to click on next and finish it. Okay, nothing required to customize. The exe file has been downloaded here, so let me open it. I think I tried to run it 2 or 3 times. So let me cancel other, and let me accept the agreement to set up the software. We have to put the icon on the desktop, so I selected that, and let me click on install. It will take hardly 1 to 2 minutes to get installed completely. So it is in the progress status. You can see it is installing. Yeah, it has been installed. I'll just let me open it to get confirm our Visual Studio Code is working fine. If you want to change the theme, you can change the theme to from the dark to light. So the default one is the dark one. Let me change to light one. If you wish to stay with the light one, you can, but it's a little bit looking dark. So let me change to light theme. In case if you want to revert, we can change it to revert later. Okay. Let me go to the extension, because we have to write the code for the Azure. So let me install the Terraform for the Azure. Okay, so that it will provide the auto suggestions while writing the code. So the required extension has been set up. So we set up the Visual Studio Code. So in the next session we'll set up the Terraform. Okay, So thank you guys. So I will connect in the next session. Thank you.